Crazy Turtle's kitchen today, and I have put in a last call for bananas to my family. And if your family is like mine, once they start looking like this, nobody wants to touch them. So I hate to waste food, and it also gives me an opportunity to make this wonderful and simple banana muffin recipe. You can turn it into bread if you like, and I'll give you those directions as well. But um, I like muffins because they're super simple. They fit into lunch boxes, great for snacks, breakfasts, and also they can freeze real well. So if you don't want to eat them all right away, you don't have to. So I am just going to simply mash my 2 bananas. You could use 3. You could use a potato masher as well with this, but a fork just works fine. And you can always wait for those bananas to get even a little bit riper, but I do have the time right now, and I am looking forward to having some muffins. So once those are mashed, I'm just going to add the baking soda and salt. And this butter that I have melted, you want to make sure it's a little bit cooler because we're going to be adding an egg and we don't want the egg to inadvertently scramble. But this is also a reason why I love this recipe, because you don't have to thaw or let your butter come to room temperature. So it is something that can be made very, very quickly. Actually, putting this all together is it's probably 10 minutes. And then we're going to bake for 20. So super, super, super easy whenever you are kind of crunched for time in the kitchen. And so I have some vanilla, my beaten egg, and half a cup of sugar. Oh, and I love the smell of bananas. And then my cup and a half of flour. I'm using gluten-free flour today. I do have family that has some sensitivities, and some can do gluten, some are sensitive to it, some can do dairy, some are sensitive to it. So I always like to give you options and show you really how simple it is to substitute when you have some dietary concerns, or if you have somebody coming over that you know has some dietary restrictions as well. But this measure for measure kind of flour, it's 1-to-1 kind of replacement. It works fantastic as a substitute. If you wanted to substitute the butter for a dairy-free butter, it's melted, so it's going to work out just fine. So I'm going to put these in a muffin tin and bake at a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. So I will see you soon and show you the delicious results. So these muffins have just come out of the oven. They're just nice and golden brown. It was 20 minutes at 350, but again, as with baking, you kind of have to know your oven, maybe check it after 15 so that they're not over baked. And they are just wonderful. I love to, ooh, look at that steaminess. I do like to eat these with a little bit of peanut butter on top, so I get my peanut butter banana fix. But anyway, I hope this recipe can help you out. Again, it's super quick, helps us not let food go to waste, saves us money, and you know what? Makes our tummies happy in the long run. So thanks again for tuning in to Crazy Turtle. I hope to see you again soon. Take care.